Good morning, students. Myself, Bhaskar. I welcome you all in the new semester, that is fifth semester. Dear students, now you are in third year, and in this year, we will study a new subject. The name of that subject is compiler design. So, till date or till semesters, you write the program in a different language. Either you write program in C language, C++, or Java language. And each language you compile and run the program. So we have one shortcut key, that is Control plus F9 and Alt plus F9 to compile and run the program. But in this semester, we will study how these programs are executed in a step-by-step fashion. So before going to start in detail regarding this subject, first of all, we have to learn about some important points regarding this subject. So the first questions come in your mind that what are the importance of this subject? So this importance can be discussed with respect to 2 points. One point is, since the subject is in your course curriculum, so you have to study and you have to pass. So first aspect is this. The second aspect is competitive. In a competitive examinations like SAIL, WAIL, GAIL, or GATE, even GATE, NATE, minimum 5 to 6 questions are asked from this subject. And I think in this competitive era, if you are aware with this subject, then you are in a good positions. So either of the point you take, this subject is very much important for you all. So the next points come. What is compiler design? Why should we study compiler? So to understand these concepts, first of all, we have to know about the communicating language. As a human being, we need a language through which we can communicate with other persons. The language might be English, the language might be Hindi, the language might be some local language, Urdu, Bangla, etc. In the same way, computer system also requires a communicating language. These communicating language are known as programming language. Programming language. So basically we have three type of language through which our system communicate with other systems, or we can say that our system communicate with user wing, or simply we can say that user wing communicates with computer system by using this language. So basically we have three language. One is machine level language, other one is assembly level language, and the third one is high level language. Each language has its own pro and cons. So our computer system basically understand the language of binary or machine language. But we as a human being, if we write the program in a machine language, then it is very difficult task for us to write the program in a machine code. One more problem is that if we write the program in a machine code, then it is very difficult to find the error since codes are written in a 0101 manner. In a opposite way, we can say if we write the program in a high level language, then we as a human being are in comfortable positions to write the program. But one problem is there since we have a machine and we as a human being. So machine understand the language of machine code that is written in a 0101, and we as a human being write the program in a high level language that is a human readable format. So these two things must be compatible with each other, or we can say that this high level language must be converted to the machine level language so that the computer understand this high level language, and this conversion can be done with the help of compiler. So basically what compiler is? Compiler is a program that takes one language as an input and it produces another language as an output. In other words, we can say that compiler is a translator that translate high level language to the low level language and vice versa. So compiler is a translator. So what are the functions of translator? We can say that the function of translator is simply it takes one language as an input and it produces another language, another equivalent language as an output. So basically the job of translator is to translate the language which are in one form to another form. And by doing this, our computer system in a comfortable positions to understand this language. So in compiler design subject, this whole process, this whole compilation process is done in a several steps, and these steps are known as phases of compiler. These steps are known as phases of compiler. Basically, we have 6 phases of compiler. First one is lexical analysis. Second one is syntax analysis. Third one is semantic analysis. Fourth one is intermediate code generation. Then code optimization. And the last one is code generations. So we give input to this compiler and it produces object code or executable file as a output for further processing. So thank you for today.